Hello students, welcome back to online classes on nuclear fission, lecture number 5. In this lecture, we are going to discuss one more important point that is given in your syllabus is shell correction to liquid drop model. Shell correction to liquid drop model. Before going to shell correction to liquid drop model, we need to know the simply what is liquid drop model. Liquid drop model is one of the model which is explain about the properties of the nucleus. By using a liquid drop model, we come to know that the size of the nucleus, is studied by using liquid drop model, and shape of the nucleus we studied by using liquid drop model, volume of the nucleus, surface area, of nucleus, and forces between the nucleons. Okay, liquid drop model, it is the one of the nuclear model, and this we study the size of the nucleus, what is the shape of the nucleus, what is the volume of the nucleus, and what is the surface area of the nucleus, and what is the force between the nucleons is studied by using a liquid drop model. And this very important nuclear model is given by the scientist Neil Bohr. Okay, but these are the useful or what we are studied by using liquid drop model. Okay, and it fails to limitations of liquid drop model. We have one drawback for this model, that is it fails to explain the binding energy of the nucleus. It is having a lot of useful and a lot of uses. By using liquid drop model, we study size, shape, volume of the nucleus, surface area of the nucleus, force between the nucleons. We come to know almost all the points, but it fails to explain the binding energy of the nucleus. And now question arises, what is binding energy? Binding energy, simply we know that binding energy, we know that it is the energy required to separate the nucleons. It is the one of the way to define the binding energy. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನು, it may be proton or it may be neutrons or it may be proton or neutron, ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಬೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಆರ್ we have one more way to define binding energy. It is the amount of energy required to add the or hold the two nucleons is called binding energy. Okay, this is the binding energy cannot be explained by liquid drop model. And next scientist came and they add the some shell correction term to liquid drop model, and this shell correction term is explains the binding energy of the nucleus. This is what we are going to study in this lecture. Okay, now I come to title, shell correction to liquid drop model. This is very important thing. This shell correction to liquid drop model simply explain about the binding energy of the nucleus, and when we add the shell correction term to liquid drop model, that liquid drop model initially fails to explain the binding energy of the nucleus. Now by adding the shell correction term to the liquid drop model, we are going to explain the, or we are easily explain the binding energy of the nucleus. Okay, initially, before going to that shell correction term, initially when we plot the binding energy per nucleon versus, we plot a graph of binding energy per nucleon versus atomic mass number, we get a graph like this. It's a fluctuating graph initially in this position, and after that it is having this shape. Okay, this is the origin, x-axis, y-axis. When you plot the binding energy per nucleon by taking along y-axis and atomic mass number along x-axis, when you plot a graph, we get a graph like this. Okay, this is in the form, this is in this shape. Okay, now I write the shell correction to liquid drop model, and that equation, shell correction to liquid drop model, equationally it is given by, I write here shell correction to liquid drop model. This is given by, this is ZNP plus NMN minus BNZ plus M microscopic. Okay, this is the equation number 1. This is a very simple equation. Here this is the equation, it represents the shell correction to liquid drop model. This first two terms are the binding energy term given by using liquid drop model, and this last term M micro is the shell correction term. Okay, I explain